Welcome to Comfort Cool, your solution for efficient home cooling. Comfort Cool offers a range of whole house fans, attic fans, and garage fans to help you cool your home efficiently and effectively, eliminating those hot, sleepless nights. A whole house fan is a fantastic way to cool your home with fresh, clean air. It works by drawing cool outside air through your entire living space and exhausting it into your attic. This process pressurizes your attic, which then naturally expels the hot air through your existing attic vents. The result? Both your interior and attic cool down simultaneously, for just pennies per hour to run and up to a 90% savings on your energy bill compared to air conditioning. Depending on the season and outside air temperature, most clients enjoy using their whole house fan in the evenings when the air is cooler. Comfort Cool offers two whole house fan product lines, our premium Centric Air line and our standard line QA Deluxe. Let me introduce you to our premium Centric Air line.
A Centric Air whole house fan is modern, powerful, and ultra-quiet. The fan motors used in Centric Air systems are acoustically designed and precision balanced. These high-efficient fans are made of composite materials with wingtip design for increased performance and efficiency. Adding to Centric Air's remarkably quiet operation is the acoustical and heat-resistant ductwork. This specialty ductwork not only dampens the noise of rushing air, but also absorbs vibration, allowing the system to quietly operate even while you sleep. While traditional whole house fans consist of large louvered shutters that can rattle, squeak, and vibrate, Centric Air systems use an industrial-grade damper and high airflow grille, which not only looks attractive, but allows for 30% more airflow compared to standard return air grills. The cost to operate a Centric Air whole house fan is just pennies an hour, making it one of the most energy-efficient upgrades you can make to your home.
Now, let's explore our standard line, QA Deluxe model.
Like other whole house fans, QA Deluxe systems cost just pennies an hour to operate and are designed to cool your home quickly. But that's where the similarities end. The QA Deluxe Advantage means a superior-made whole house fan system. QA Deluxe fan housings are precision-made, and they use a rigid fan guard for increased strength and safety. The fan guard is connected to the housing at 6 points of contact, adding to its strength. QA Deluxe whole house fans use axial metal fan blades designed to provide maximum airflow and increased performance. They're powered by an energy-efficient, exceptionally reliable, permanent split capacitor motor that is built to last. The motor is mounted to the fan housing with heavy-duty mounting brackets and rubber bushings designed to dampen vibration and reduce noise. The insulated acoustical ducting allows the motor to be farther away from the living space, providing quieter operation. It consists of a spun-bonded, non-woven inner core that is designed to absorb sound and vibration, contributing to its quiet operation. The R5 insulated damper is designed to isolate the attic from the living space and prevent heat loss when the system is not in use. The solid foam dampers are lightweight and allow maximum airflow when the system is in use. A nylon bushing is used to secure the dampers to the metal housing, eliminating the need for lubrication and ensuring lifelong operation.
Our attic fans function similarly, but are typically used during the day to maintain low attic temperatures. They draw in cool outside air through an existing vent, pressurizing the attic and pushing out the hot air through other vents. Used in conjunction with whole house fans, attic fans help create a comprehensive, comfortable living environment all day long. Our garage fans are equally popular. They keep your garage cool and comfortable by drawing in fresh air and expelling hot air through your existing vent system. Ideal for spaces like garage gyms or laundry areas, these fans help create a more comfortable space wherever you need it. Experience healthier, efficient, and effective home cooling solution from Comfort Cool. Our products are guaranteed to last and provide you the affordable comfort and cost savings you deserve.